Tea Break Academy. Solve the equation, skip the frustration, maths in a mug, your tea break education. Prime factorization. Breaking numbers into prime building blocks. Why do we need to learn prime factorization? 1. It helps us understand numbers better. Prime factorization shows how a number is built. Example. 12 is equal to 2 times 2 by 3. So we can clearly see the building blocks of 12. 2. It helps us find HCF and LCM. Prime factorization makes it easier to find highest common factor, HCF. Lowest common multiple, LCM. These are important in many maths problems. 3. It helps with fractions. When simplifying fractions, we use factors. For example, 12 over 18 can be simplified by dividing by common factors like 2 and 3. Prime factorization makes this process easier. 4. It improves problem-solving skills. Breaking numbers into smaller parts helps students think logically. Solve problems step by step. 5. It is used in higher maths. Prime factorization is used in algebra, ratios, advanced number problems. Introduce prime factorization. Prime factorization means breaking a number into prime numbers that multiply together to make it. Prime numbers are the building blocks of all numbers. Example. 12 can be made from prime numbers. 12 is equal to 2 times 2 by 3. So this is the prime factorization of 12. Factor trees. A factor tree is a way to break a number into smaller factors until all the numbers are prime. How to draw a factor tree. Step 1. Start with your number. Write the number at the top. Example, 24. Step 2. Split it into 2 factors. Choose any 2 numbers that multiply to make 24. For example, 24 is equal to 4 times 6. Step 3. Keep splitting, if not prime. Check each number. 4. Not prime. Split again. 6. Not prime. Split again. Step 4. Stop when all numbers are prime. Now we have 2, 2, 2, 3. All are prime numbers, so we stop. Step 5. Write the final answer. Multiply the prime numbers. 24 is equal to 2 times 2 by 2 by 3. Or 24 equals 2 cubed times 3. Important tips. You can start with any pair of factors. Always continue until all numbers are prime. The final answer will be the same, even if your tree looks different. Try it yourself. Draw a factor tree for 18, 30. Pause and try. Try drawing the factor trees yourself. Did you get the same final answers? 18 is equal to 2 times 3 by 3. 30 is equal to 2 times 3 by 5. Practice questions. Find the prime factorization of 16, 28, 36, 45, 50, 72. Pause and try. Here are the answers. Did you get them all correct? If yes, well done! You have learned about prime factorization and factor trees. Keep practicing, and you will become a master of factor trees. Key points. A prime factorization uses only prime numbers. Use factor trees. Order does not matter. Can be written with powers. Well done for finishing this lesson. Today we learned about prime factorization and how to use factor trees. If you need more practice, watch the video again and try some extra questions. Mug empty, problem solved. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to join the Academy. Share the knowledge and keep watching the next Maths Explained to stay ahead. I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep your tea hot and your brain sharp. See you soon.